Okay, I just got my bodywaver T3 curling iron. Shortcut to perfect blowout look, no appointment required. So this has rose gold on it. The special thing about this is it has this ceramic heater technology and then the custom blend ceramic barrel. So it's good for your hair. It's a T3 single pass radial technology. So this has 5 settings, custom blend, barrel, cool tip, ergonomic design, 1 hour auto off. Oh my God, that's amazing. Sometimes I leave my curling iron on, and so this is good that it turns off in an hour. All right, let's open this up. Here's the actual barrel. It's pretty big. So I have the bodywaver plugged in, and the way to use this is you twist this. So I like the hottest. So I have the old T3 straightener, and this is the single pass. One thing that I loved about this, that it actually came with this little black pad that stops your countertop from getting colored, because that's what's happened with other ones when I don't use this. So I'm gonna just use my old one because the new one did not come with the little pad protector for your counter. But this I've had for a couple of years and I love it. It's the best single pass, so I'm excited to use that. Okay, so here's my hair in natural state. I washed it last night with shampoo and conditioner, and you can see that it's just unruly at the ends, and I did use a glosser to help it, but I really want my hair to be just more tamed. And smoothing it out versus none. Big difference. Like you can just see how frizzy this is. It's unruly. With products, it could probably get it smoother, but this looks just much more cleaner. Like I didn't just wake up out of bed. for watching my video. I'm Christine, your beauty expert, and yeah, I hope you like this video on the beach. I keep calling it a beach waver, but it's a body waver, and it is the T3. I do like this. I like that it has the cool tip. I like that it has 5 settings, and it shuts off automatically in 1 hour. That's amazing, because I mean, probably 2 or 3 times a week I think, did I turn off my curling iron when I'm already out of the house? So I like that feature. Most importantly, the smart microchip continually monitors and adjusts power to minimize heat fluctuations and maintain consistent temperature. So that means it's going to stay consistent the whole time. So after 1 curl, it's heating up immediately within a few seconds to go to the next curl. So it's not taking a minute or 2 to heat back up again. Ceramic heating technology. 3 high-performance ceramic heaters ensure even heat, free of hot spots for 1 pass styling, so you can just get it through one. Custom blend ceramic barrel. The barrel enhanced with a custom blend ceramic surface glides smoothly to create a frizz-free, shiny finish that lasts. So I bought this on Macy's online, and it was basically about $129 on sale. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching my video. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. You have a great day. Subscribe to my channel while you're here. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.